Hello friends, welcome to TechNew channel. Today, we bring you a detailed review of the Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1. A laptop that comes with powerful performance, but with some compromises. Let's find out if it's the right choice for you or not. The Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 has a simple and solid design. Its 14-inch 1920 by 1200 Touch IPS LCD Full HD display looks great, but it's not very bright. It weighs around 1.6 kilograms, which makes it a bit heavy. It can be a bit difficult to use, especially in tablet mode. But with this convertible design, you can use it both as a laptop and a tablet. However, its heaviness can make the experience a bit frustrating in tablet mode. Performance. Now, let's talk about its performance. The IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor and 16GB LPDDR56400 soldered RAM and 1TB SSD. It is perfect for everyday tasks. It is best for web browsing, office work, and streaming. You can also use it for multitasking. However, if you are fond of video editing or gaming, this laptop struggles a bit. Its AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics let you do some 3D gaming, but it is not right for high-end games. Networking, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 operating system. Windows 11, Home. Battery life and connectivity. The IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 is great when it comes to battery life. In our test, it lasted 14 hours, which is quite good for a budget laptop. In terms of connectivity, you get USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2, USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 x 2, HDMI 1.4, micro SD card reader, combo audio jack. This means you can connect almost every device you need to it. The design of its keyboard is a bit unusual, especially its rounded edges. The typing experience is decent, but some users may have trouble with its stiffness. Camera and speakers. The webcam quality is average. This 1080p camera gives you blurry and lifeless images. If video calling is part of your work, then do not expect much from it. The sound of its speakers is also not very loud. However, the placement of the speakers is good, which makes the sound better. So is the Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 right for you? If you want good performance and long battery life on a budget, then this is a good option. But if you are expecting gaming, high-end graphics, or a lightweight design, this is not for you. Instead, you can look at models like the Lenovo Yoga 7 14th Gen 9 inches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which laptop you would like to see reviewed. Thanks.